In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting from browser. This is perfect if you don't want to install the Zoom app or you're on a shared computer. All you'll need is the meeting ID and, if required, the passcode from your host. A modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari works best, and it helps to close extra tabs for a smoother connection. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Zoom web portal at zoom.us. You'll land on the home page. On the right side of the page, or along the top menu depending on your screen size, look for the Join link. Click that to open the Join form. On the Join a Meeting page, type the meeting ID exactly as it was shared with you. It's usually a series of numbers. If you're pasting it, remove any spaces or dashes to avoid errors. You may also be asked for a display name here. Enter the name you want other participants to see. When you're ready, click Join. Zoom may try to launch the desktop app. Since we're staying in the browser, look for the small link that says Join from your browser. If you don't see it right away, click Launch Meeting first, and the browser option will appear underneath. Click Join from your browser to continue. Next, if the meeting is passcode protected, you'll be prompted to enter it. Type the passcode exactly as provided by your host. If it includes letters, remember that it's case sensitive. Double-check for extra spaces before or after the code. Then click Join to proceed. At this point, you might enter a waiting room if the host has it enabled. That's normal. Just hang tight until you're admitted. Your browser may also ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Click Allow so others can hear and see you when you join. If you prefer to enter quietly, you can mute your mic and turn off your camera before joining. The controls are available at the bottom of the preview or meeting window. If you have trouble connecting, refresh the page, re-enter the meeting ID and passcode, and ensure your browser is up to date. Disabling overly strict extensions or pop-up blockers for the Zoom site can also help. And if you ever get redirected to the app again, simply cancel and choose Join from your browser. That's it. You've joined a Zoom meeting straight from your browser, no downloads required. Enjoy your meeting.